Hello, you might use QEMU to emulate a system of ARM CPU, MIPS CPU, or some others on your x86 machine, like this. Do you know how QEMU emulates these CPUs, or how QEMU executes their instructions on x86 CPUs? Tiny code generator is QEMU's technology doing this binary instruction translation. This course, QEMU TCG tutorial, will show you how to have QEMU emulate a new CPU architecture. To be specific, this course borrows some instructions from LoongArch CPU architecture. It explains QEMU Object Model, which is the model of QEMU devices and CPU targets. It also explains DecodeTree, describing how to decode target CPU's instructions, and explains TCG-IR intermediate representation. This course also shows how to add a virtual device of machine and CPU, how to add a new CPU target, translate its instructions to TCG-IR, and how to disassemble these instructions. Even if you have no plan to emulate a new CPU architecture, I hope this course would help you broaden the view of virtualization. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you in the course.